Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I will instruct you about the danger of pop-ups from the website Dtvi.club. Dtvi.club. These pop-ups promote some software called Flash SD App. However, the problem with this software is that it works as a typical browser hijacker. It hijacks your default search engine and doesn't really allow you to use your common preferred search engine. For instance, you are the customer of Google Chrome, and then when this extension Flash SD App is installed and activated, people start noticing that their search results are rendered by some third-party websites not related to Google at all. It could be Bing, it could be Yahoo, or some other third-party fake search engine. Therefore, be careful when these Dtvi.club pop-ups come up. As I said, they are the reason of a special extension that can be installed. To fix the issue, go to your browser menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now look for suspicious extensions that may be in the list, and you need to disable and then to remove them all effectively. So do it one thing at a time, and then get rid of all other items that might cause the trouble. Finally, I also recommend scanning your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner, which is a powerful antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. So as soon as you download the software, start it through the Launchpad and take time until the scanning is completed. You need to click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the detailed investigation and research of your Mac. So wait until the antivirus database is updated and then click on Start Combo Scan button. By the way, Combo Cleaner initially is provided in the trial mode, even though it does have some free features. For instance, disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. These are free features to use. And the antivirus is the part of the premium license. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus, and in order to review the results, go to the antivirus section and click on this direct button called Review Results. So you will see the detailed list of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. In order to find where this particular threat is located, go to this circle that says Show in Finder, and then you'll be able to find this particular malicious item in the Finder and get rid of it by right-clicking on it. So let's do it once again. Let's say we want to remove this malicious DMG file. So click on this button and then you will see it in Finder, and you may right-click on it and select Move to Trash. So this is the manual way to get rid of malware from your Mac for free. Combo Cleaner has performed free scanning, and now you may remove each particular malicious item for free at no cost. And or you may additionally get rid of all this malware with the premium version of Combo Cleaner antivirus.